Alright, we're gonna go for a little walk. Be real. I hope there's a toilet here somewhere too. So this is what it says. It's in memory of all of these people. Give them a little recognition for those people. Alright. You can come over here and sit. There's flowers over here. And then this is the track. I'm still walking. To the woods. Pioneer Trails. All by myself. Going into the woods all by myself. I haven't been here in this woods since I was pregnant. Actually, with my first son, I went into this woods. It's very dense wood here. You gotta stay on the trail. I wonder if I get to see anybody else on the trail. I'm not gonna go too far because I gotta get home, get to the washroom. I don't wanna go too far. Doesn't give you a little sign of how far the trail goes. Oh yeah, mosquitoes are out tonight. Today, I mean. This morning. It's a morning. Oh, now you can see a little bit more. Not so dense in here now. Beautiful nature. I don't want to go too far by myself. I wonder if it goes right around. On the way back, maybe I'll do the wide and then I'll do my face. Butterflies. It's nice actually in the woods here. Nice in the woods. A lot of fallen trees. I don't know how far this trail goes, but we're gonna go to this corner here where it turns, and then we're gonna see. Oh, it goes left or right over here. Go that way, and then we go this way. I think this way brings us back to the other side. I hope it does. A lot of bugs over here. Maybe I should turn around. Not of bugs. I'm hoping that we can just walk all the way around.